You may not have wealthy friends to visit, but maybe you've stepped into a luxury hotel, a boutique spa, and the moment you walked into the bathroom, something shifted. You felt it, a calm, a clarity, and you never forgot it. Today, we're diving into that one room we often neglect, and how to turn your bathroom into a sanctuary that makes you feel rich, even if you're renting. This isn't just a bathroom. It's the only room where you can lock the door, and no one questions why. It's the first place you see yourself in the morning, the last place you gather yourself at night. It's the mirror of your rituals, your pause, your reset. The world's most luxurious hotels didn't just design bathrooms for hygiene only, but mostly for emotional transformation. The bathroom is the only space that offers total control. You decide the temperature, the light, the scent, the sound. And that control creates comfort because control is a direct line to psychological safety. Hotels know this. That's why they invest so heavily in the bathroom experience. It's not for photos. It's to make you feel safe, cared for, elevated. They know that when your senses are respected, your brain stops scanning for danger. You relax, and that feeling lingers. Ever wonder why 90% of spa-inspired bathrooms are white? It's not a design trend, it's a psychological cleanse. White triggers what psychologists call visual reset. In a space where your brain expects clutter, color, and chaos, white empties the visual field. It acts as a canvas, giving your mind space to breathe. And white towels? They're used in luxury hotels not just for cleanliness, but for trust. Studies show guests trust the cleanliness of a space more when linens are white. It communicates purity. Nothing to hide. So here's how to apply it. If you're on a budget, don't redo the whole room. Replace 3 things: your shower curtain, your towels, and your bath mat with crisp, thick, high-quality whites. Even Walmart's hotel-style towel line can give you that spa hotel softness. This one change makes the room feel like it's been scrubbed with money, even if you spent under $100. In a luxury hotel, the shower isn't just for cleaning. It's engineered to anchor emotion, water pressure, temperature control, echo acoustics. Even the type of shampoo bottle matters. Hotels invest here because we form memory loops in high-emotion, low-distraction spaces. The shower is one of the few places where your body is busy, but your mind is still. That's why great hotels make the shower feel like a cocoon. Rain shower heads, minimal grout lines, built-in shelves instead of suction cup baskets, no visual distractions, warm lighting that makes your skin look good in the mirror when you step out. So what can you do? If you're on a budget, replace your shower head with a rainfall-style model. You can get them for $30 on Amazon. Ditch the drugstore bottles and buy amber or frosted pump bottles to decant your shampoo and conditioner. Add eucalyptus, real or faux, behind the shower head. The steam activates the oils. It's a $12 spa experience. Hotels don't just sell comfort. They sell ritual elevation. You can do the same every time you shower. One thing you'll notice in luxury bathrooms, no one ever talks about the floor. but they feel it. That plush bath rug, that heated tile, it's not for function, it's for grounding. Psychologists call it tactile security. It's that moment your feet hit something soft, warm, and intentional. Telling your nervous system, you're safe here. Even a $20 memory foam bath mat can trigger this response. Avoid small, slippery rugs. Go big. Make it fill the space. Big rugs equal abundance. Small rugs equal scarcity. Also, clean floors equal clean mind. Hotels obsess over spotless grout because our brains equate bathroom cleanliness with personal safety. So mop. Replace old caulk. Add a bamboo tray for your slippers. It's not about money, it's about sensory control. Nothing kills the spa vibe faster than a harsh overhead bulb. Hotel bathrooms layer lighting for a reason. Warm vertical lighting at face level. Soft backlighting on mirrors. Accent lighting behind vanities or tubs. Because light doesn't just help us see, it helps us feel. Cool-toned bulbs make your skin look gray. Overhead, only lighting causes tension. So try this. Replace bathroom bulbs with soft white LEDs. Use adhesive LED strips under your mirror or cabinet. Install a dimmer. It's a $15 upgrade that instantly changes the experience. You don't need a chandelier. You need control. Walk into a luxury hotel bathroom and there's always a scent, but it's never overpowering. It's subtle, clean, almost impossible to describe. That's the point. Scent is tied to memory. If your bathroom smells like Clorox or moldy towels, it becomes emotionally coded as stress. So here's how to change that. Use a diffuser with clean spa scents. Eucalyptus, lavender, or sandalwood. Add a small candle near the tub or sink. Use linen spray on your towels or robe. Leave a few citrus peels in a dish overnight. The goal isn't to smell nice, it's to send the message, this space is cared for. Luxury is not about what you add, it's about what you curate. One oversized plush towel, one thoughtful tray with cotton balls and perfume, one vase with a single white bloom, a tiny speaker playing ambient spa music while you get ready for bed. Hotels never clutter, they edit. Here's the final trick. Fold your towels hotel style. Roll hand towels. Stack bath towels in threes. It's a cue, not of wealth but intention. Add a stool or bench if space allows, just for folding towels or placing your robe. Even an $18 IKEA step stool painted white can become a luxury touchpoint. You don't need marble. You don't need a bigger space. You need emotional architecture. Because the most luxurious bathrooms aren't expensive. They're intentional. And when they're done right, they don't just clean your body, they reset your soul. So which one tip are you going to try today?